Hello and welcome back to Scale Me Down. This is Tom Ralph with his Skywing Laser 260 for a tuning flight at our local club. Please like and subscribe to support the channel. This 67-inch model comes completely pre-assembled with all the servos already installed. The GA 2000R 450 kV motor and Hobbywing Platinum 100 amp speed controller are also pre-installed. Even the cowl is nicely baffled at the factory to keep cool air going where it needs to. The vented electric spinner comes with a kit, but Tom fitted his own Falcon carbon fibre propeller. In fact, all you do to assemble this model is screw on the tail and landing gear, fit your receiver, and then fit and adjust the control push rods. Tom, however, took all the servos and gear out to check that everything worked before refitting everything using Loctite, leaving nothing to chance for his demanding style of flying. It flies from a 6-cell 4000 mAh to 5000 mAh pack. From getting this model out of the car to getting airborne can be less than 30 seconds, as the wings simply push on with the controls auto-connecting, and they're held on with a spring latch. The kit even comes with a set of wing bags to protect the model during storage and transportation from knocks and bangs. Thanks Tom, great flight. Looks like you had lots of fun with that. We'll see you here next time at Scale Me Down. Thanks for watching.